Now we did this question number 6.1. You done that, right?
Yes.
6.2 also. Before. Section 6. Yeah, already we did one. This section?
Yes.
7.1?
Yes.
We did?
Yes.
2?
4, 5 until 15.
So we need to work out this.
Yes.
Correct? Or we will follow question? The company purchased a building on 31st December for 750,000. At the date of the acquisition, the useful life of the building was estimated to be 25 years. And depreciation is calculated using the straight line method. At 31st December 2016, an independent valuer valued the building at 1 million. And the revaluation was recognized in the financial statement. The company's accounting policy states that excess depreciation arising from revaluation of non-current asset can be transferred from the revaluation surplus to retained earnings. What is the depreciation charge on the building for the year under 31st December 2017? Can you calculate that?
Retained earning.
Retained earning is the final profit after deducting everything for several years.
Used for 25 years?
Yeah. First we will try, then I will work.
This 1 million is a value in 2016.
Yeah, new value, the revaluation.
New value.
Yeah.
And he
He said, like this building, when you buy it 750,
okay.
after that whole amount of the years after, you bring one professional, special people, they come and check out, okay, this building now value 1 million. So you need to take that value to the books. Yeah. Yes.
From 2011 to 2016.
Second one? Second one?
No, correct. Understood or you see?
لا answer the answer one million and this number in terms of something. Divided by 5 years.
Eh? Here?
Divided by 5.
What to divide by 5?
2011 and 2016.
No, no. Answer 50, but what you are telling is the method wrong. But Muslim, answer correct. All I do is shall we discuss?
Sorry?
Shall we discuss or
Okay.
this is so? Now, This is 7.16.
16. Page number 43.
Two thousand 11. Date of birth is 2011. So how many years? 5 years. Cost 750. Lifetime
1 year, 25.
25. So during this period, per year depreciation how much? This period
30,000.
750,000 divided by
25.
you get,
30.
and how many years now finished?
5.
So how much is the accumulated depreciation?
150,000.
30,000 into 5. My phone is in. Yeah. So 30,000 into 5, 100 on 31st December 2016. What is the net book value? 750 minus 150. Is that right? So it is now new value. Continue. Any information they are talking about changes in the total life? They don't talk. So how many years so far finished?
5.
So remaining life?
20.
Remaining life is 20. So therefore, depreciation per year for the new value.
This new value 1 million, yeah?
How much is it?
50,000.
How you got the answer?
Subtracted 750,000 from 1 million and then divided by 5.
No.
No. I didn't like this. But I didn't like all this.
You understood now? Baha?
Yes, but my method, if
Oh.
you change the numbers, it will not come.
Okay.
For another example, if we change the
No,
numbers,
no.
manage, yeah?
Right. This is the correct method. Okay, that's the first question. Second question. From the list of tokens below, identify the correct debit and credit bills to record the transfer of excess depreciation. What do you mean by excess depreciation? Original depreciation per year how much? 30,000.
This remaining for previous one.
Hmm?
This example remaining.
Continuation.
Mm.
Yeah. So original depreciation 30,000.
Mm.
Revised depreciation. So how much? You can also calculate the same number in a different way. What is a different way? If you did not understand?
This one for 50,000 already stopped. This more expensive or what? Last one.
Yes.
This we already did this 50,000. The
How the class?
no, this question. Question. Okay.
So this is 7.17. Now your new value $1 million. How much net book value? 600,000. After depreciation, end of the 5th year, your net book value is how much? This difference is called how much?
400.
Remaining life. How many years? 20. Now if you please, the excess depreciation will be how much?
20.
See? You will get the same answer. You can do it in 2 ways. But this is not the answer though. What they want. Now we need to see how to transfer excess depreciation from revaluation surplus to CPA US. So what is the correct double entry? What you will debit and what you will credit?
Debit revaluation surplus.
How much?
20,000.
And then credit?
Return earnings.
How much?
20,000.
What about you? Understood or not? Now, brother, this is your revaluation.
It says in the question.
Hmm?
It says it in the question.
Yeah, it says in the question also. This is a revaluation surplus. How much we calculated? 400,000. Now we also have another account. That's the profit available can be distributed to the owners as dividend. Now, from this amount, I can transfer a portion to here. That transfer is what we call excess depreciation transfer. We calculate it. Now, we need to know how to transfer. Now, what is the correct double entry? If you're looking at this, you should be able to tell me. I need to transfer from there every year, how much? 20,000. So when I want to transfer from there, in that account, what should I do? Debit or credit?
Credit.
We are credit.
This
This account, no, this account. Other.
this
Yeah? You will credit?
Is this credit?
This is credit, okay.
Ah.
The 20,000 I need to transfer from this account to this account. So, what is the balance?
Okay. Debit, this is depreciation debit.
Depreciation class. Forget about depreciation now. Now we are after preparing the P&L. P&L account finished. We are now in that statement of changes in equity portion, the owner's equity section.
Okay.
So we have two accounts there. One is revaluation surplus, one is return. So I have this much revaluation surplus. On this, whatever the calculated excess depreciation, I can transfer from here to here. So my question to you, when I go to transfer in this account, what will I do? Well, debit or credit? Think like this. This is the pot. 400,000 I have. Every year I will take 20,000 out. And that 20,000 I will give it to?
Debit.
Where is it?
Down.
If you debit here, normally sir, return earning is a credit item or a debit item.
Because you told me.
Return earning is a profit. No?
Sorry?
Return earning is another name profit. So,
Okay.
your profit is a debit item or a credit item?
Profit? Credit.
Credit. Okay. If you will debit to return earning, your profit will increase or decrease?
Will decrease.
Decrease. But what we want to do, we want to give a portion of the revaluation surplus to the return earning. If I am giving to return earning, my return earning should increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Okay. Did you understand what I'm saying? I have a pot of 400,000 money in one pot. I need to take 20,000 and put it to another pot. So in this pot, what will happen to 20,000? Will it increase or decrease? Decrease. In which pot? Already I have 400,000. Which account is that? I have 400,000 in which account? Revaluation surplus account. I have 400,000. I need to take 20 from there.
Okay.
So if I want to take, meaning it should go down.
Decrease.
So then in that account what should I do?
Decrease.
Yeah, for decrease, the increase what? Debit or credit? Already I have 400,000 there. If you again credit 20,000.
No. Debit.
Brother, if I write here 20,
Will.
it will increase. But we don't want that. What we want is, I want to take out 20 from there. So, I will debit 20 here. And where we want to give, going to give this? To which account we are going to give this money? We are going to transfer this money to return earning. So return earning will increase or decrease after giving this? Increase. So if the return earning to increase, I should debit or credit?
Credit.
So I should credit. So now can you check your answer? Find out what entry you will debit and what entry you will credit. See, in the computer, when you do that exam in the computer,
Muhammad, if I put in the account, it will come credit how? How come credit? I already take and put in this account.
yes,
Returned earnings.
yes,
Why credit? It is an increase.
yeah, increase meaning credit only have it. Profit no. Fine.
If I take from bank,
Yeah,
decrease,
must go.
easy credit.
Yeah, that is bank account like that. But profit account is not like bank account only. First you need to think the nature of the account. Bank account normal nature is debit. Return earning normal nature is credit. Sales,
And this also revaluation plus
same thing. These two accounts are same nature.
opposite the bank.
Opposite to bank. Bank is asset. These two are equity. Clear? Okay. Now, yes sir, when you do this question in the computer, how that will happen is, you will use your mouse. And then you will take, drag it and then put it here or here. That's how the answer is. So you now you tell me which one you will debit, which one you will credit.
First one credit, second one debit.
Huh? Correct. Yeah, first one return earnings you will credit. So this will come here and this will
Debit.
go here. That's your answer. Clear? You have answer down there? No, right?
No.
So you need to write that answer.
Can you show the how big this 20? I want to type this one.
Okay. Are you feeling cold?
Excess depreciation meaning what? This excess depreciation meaning what?
Meaning, Habibi, if you don't revalue, the asset, every year your depreciation is how much? 30. But now since you have done the revaluation, your depreciation has increased to 50. So the difference, we call it excess depreciation. So what is the answer for this question?
New value also we use to get the answer, right? Wait. Revaluation service.
Yes.
For
Can I go to the next question, Mr. Baha?
okay.
What is the answer for this question?
I don't know, but I can tell it's the third one. Because 1, 2 and 3 all have related with this question. But fourth one I don't know, but 1, 2, 3 is not, 1, 2, 3 only is not an answer. So I think it's the third one.
Yeah, sir.
Number one. Not here.
Which of the following should be disclosed for tangible non-current assets according to IAS 16 property plant and equipment? Now, when you prepare the financial statement, you see that note now, PP note, and then also some disclosure notes. What are the items that we need to disclose in our financial statement related to assets? That's the question. First one, depreciation method used. and the total depreciation allocated for the period. But definitely, compulsorily, last you need to disclose. So number 1 must be an answer. So first option and the last option, gone. It should be between second and third. That's good. Reconciliation of the carrying amount of non-current assets at the beginning and at the end of the period. You see, if you see the PP note, we are showing the depreciation opening balance, depreciation for the year, and then we are showing the total depreciation, and then we are showing the net book value. That exercise is what we call reconciliation. So we are showing that, we have to show. So number 2 is still required. So that means still we cannot decide. For revalued assets, whether an independent valuer was involved in the valuation. If you are revaluing a big property, and if you don't bring a valuer, professional valuer, then that's not independent. Then the value you cannot really take it. So if you use that, you should say that is not necessary. It's required. So number 3 also important. If number 3 is important, again we cannot decide. We just decide with the number 4. For revalued assets, effective date of that. What do you mean by effective date? From when you are started your revaluation. So that also required. Answer is 1, 2, 3, and clear.
You answer number 10, you are number 10?
Yes.
Okay.
What is the answer? Mahfouz.
Second one.
Of what is
Release
it?
it. Release it.
I will change the temperature. Doesn't any temperature. There's 2 things. One, the calculation. 2, then
Second one.
10 minutes correct. Maybe.
Second one, but you told me that one is a mistake. But if I do by this method, it will come correct.
I can't take a
See,
risk.
the difference between-
Brother,
Yes.
maybe it's a coincidence, but I can't take a risk. I'm teaching you the right method.
Oh.
But if you want to follow shortcut, it's like the opposite.
Yeah. It's the difference between 432, it will be 8. 8 divided by difference between 2015 and 11 4 years. It will come 2000.
Anyway. It's a very good question.
Currently, why evaluation surplus come in debit and credit, yeah, to make sure. If you go second of rate,
Yeah.
but this 1,000 and this 1,000, but this opposites. Okay?
Now, what, see, putting the question back. We are doing a revaluation. So, when you do a revaluation, the difference is like a profit, a gain. Correct? Originally the value was 400,000. After how many years? 4 years, right? So after 4 years, 40, that means 360,000. Is the net book value. Now what is the new value? 432. So 432 minus 360, how much will it?
Minus 360.
Yeah,
360.
360, yes. 432 minus 360, how much?
72.
72,000. This 72,000 is like a profit, no? So profit should be on the credit side.
Yes.
So now from that 72, I have to give every year a portion to my return. So this is already a credit. I need to take it out. So from the credit item, if I want to take, what should I do? I should debit. That's what we have done now. If you divide 72,000 by 36 per year, how much you get? You will get the same. 72,000 divided by 36, how much?
27.
Same calculation. Now this one?
This road tax will add to cost.
You need to decide, I will not tell you.
This
From your normal general knowledge, road tax, will you add to the customer vehicle?
No.
Huh? Khalas. That's they are giving for the, yani, شو نقول
كده مخي يكبر زيادة.
Here are too many things they included. If you get a correct answer, I will send it. The one thing you found, that's one thing. Like that, there are many small.
Basic balance is the same for maths and accounting, right?
Huh?
Basic balance is the same thing I learned in the levels, right? That's
Yeah,
the
yeah.
balance.
Not in the maths, but in accounting. Same thing. Yeah, even that is same thing. Yes. You try.
781.
How much? 781? Think answer this correct. Let me check. Give me the book. Very good. Interval
This was done.
لا بلد جديد.
هذا ما في cost.
هذا 10,000 150 صح؟ هذا 150 هذا شنو نمونه هو؟ روad tax.
Road tax.
روad tax كل سنة أنت يتباع ولا ما يتباع؟
one time.
شو مشكلة؟
يعني
هذا سيم استمارة مني.
مم.
استمارة كل سنة يتباع ولا ما يتباع؟
كل سنة.
أنت سوي كالكوليت سيارة ولا هذا قصارى؟
For استمارة. خسارة.
هذا نفس الشيء. ليش انت فكر هذا سيارة قصر؟ لا هذا مش سيارة
يعني
هذا اكسبنس. هذا قصر بس شراء.
مم.
هذا بوينت نمبر 1. شنو هذا بوينت نمبر 2 حبيبي؟
New value.
Year of accounting year, which month?
1 December.
31st December. When the vehicle purchased, which month? May 2010. Sure. Then, what is the depreciation policy?
25.
Person on what method?
Reducing
Balance method. And can you read the last line in that paragraph? Charging a full year's depreciation in the year of purchase and none in the year of sale. You understand this or you don't understand? Baba, I teach you this in the class. Question number please. 8 point.
1.
Would you see? This is, let's say, for example, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003. I buy one asset here, let's say September 2000. And I sell one asset here, let's say April. Company can have different policies. We learned 3 different policies. One, we said full year's depreciation in the year of purchase. Now, what is the year of purchase in this example? Which year I buy the asset? I buy one asset on this date. Which year? Forget that. Should be 2000. Which month?
September.
September. Let's say my cost of the asset is example 60,000. Okay? And the depreciation rate, let's say 10%. Now, if I follow the first method, full year's depreciation in the year of purchase. So, how much depreciation you should charge for year 2000? You are following what method? Full year's depreciation. How much?
6,000.
6,000. But you have done 60,000 multiplied by 10%. Do you need to multiply this, divide by 12 and all this? No. Why? The policy is that. And if you do full year's depreciation in the year of purchase, they will also have another word. No depreciation in the year of sale. So this is method number 1. Method number 2, no Full depreciation in the year of
Plus
sale. That's method number 2.
same the
Opposite of this.
okay. What's the amount same?
Numbers will be same.
Yeah.
The method number 3, proportionate basis. If you do proportionate basis, in the year 2000, how many months I should calculate depreciation?
Then
No. I mean, the purchase I should when?
how many months?
4
4.
months. And in the year of sale,
4.
April, okay, you have to think April 30 or April 1. If it is 30, 4, you are correct. But if it is 1 April, clear? Now let's go to question. They say what? Read this from here to here.
This is end.
Last, the year of sale, but they will calculate depreciation or no?
Yes.
This. None in the year of sale.
Okay.
Yani,
Purchase
only in the year of purchase. So in the year of which see, our year end is 31 December. I am buying in May. So how many months?
7.
7. But how depreciation I should calculate for 7 months or full year?
Full year.
That is which year? Year 2010.
ليه بقى؟ السنة كام ده؟
عشان هو بيقول لك هو ما خدهاش بوقت البيع زي الحل اللي شرحه.
يعني if we purchase in May, we have to prepare for 1 year full.
Based on what they say here, you need to see the policy. This paragraph is about the policy. So now how much is the depreciation for the first year?
2005.
Second year?
Same.
No.
Okay.
There is this. I mean, in the calculate. Choose out in there.
10,025%.
Second.
Okay, do it. So how many years we have to calculate? Year 2000, 2001, 2002, and I am selling in 2003. So 2003, do I need to calculate? No need. So only 3 years I have to calculate. Calculate them.
Now, Mr. Mohammed,
You know what it is?
we have to do for 1 year, the first year or what?
Yeah. From the date of purchase till the sales, you have to do it. Our sana 2,500. Sanatani 1,875. The third year 1,406.
This one for first
So
year?
take the total of these 3.
This first year?
So, aywa. Ada apa sana?
أيوة بعدين
Sanatani reducing balance method. Malu mana tidak ada.
this one?
A into. So this is what? This is the total depreciation.
Yes.
And what was the cost?
10,000.
So what is the net book value? Now for what value you are trading this?
Sorry?
How much you are getting? See, the car was traded for a replacement vehicle
5,000.
5,000. So just like you receive cash.
Yes.
So how much is the profit? Good question or?
Yes.
This good?
How much is that? 1,406. Okay. Now take the total, this total we call it accumulated depreciation. And then we have calculated the net book value. Then you have calculated the profit or loss. This answer is net book value. Then profit or loss will say
This name, what can I say this name?
accumulated depreciation. This name Baha Zeda.
Accumulated depreciation.
Aywa.
Second,
Second, after that, brother, we have you have to calculate the net book value.
You know what's the problem for me is the language. Well,
Understand this.
this is big problem.
This is book, net for the book.
How much can that's very easy. Net book value. Net book value is the difference between cost and accumulated depreciation. The cost I 10,000 minus. Now if you mistake in that 150, first you will lose. Second mistake, you have to think about the policy. Third mistake, the date of purchase and the date of sale. Fourth mistake, the method of depreciation. Reducing balance method and mistake level you should know. Anyway, answer is profit.
This
One
one.
only. Yeah, other net book value. Now, how much for they are selling this machine?
5,000.
So they calculate the profit or for this. How about 90? How come 80? Only in the hand you understand.
19.
Okay.
After
After that, find out the difference between the sale value and this one. Clear?
okay. Is this coming to profit?
Yes.
Can you play Atif? This question.
What are the video options? Cash it.
Is billings
Teraz
just a
mam
name?
Huh?
Is the billings just a name?
Yeah, it's a name. I think this question we did.
Number 4.
First one.
First one.
Answer correct. Funny? You are watching the videos and I'm uploading. You are getting the notification? You subscribe to the channel, no? Or no?
No.
Then how you watching?
This one. What you say?
Video, I'm talking about the video.
Ah,
You subscribe to my YouTube channel?
yes, before.
Then you should get notification. I am uploading some more videos are there.
This also you upload?
Yeah, I am uploading everything.
Okay.
Right.
What's the name?
GBS Wala Muhammad Ashik Khan.
G-based.
GBS Pindi. That's my channel. Select Muhammad Ashik Khan. accounts. Then we will get the bill. Now, the control accounts and all, I already uploaded. This is all there. See? Okay, this question, what is that? The, how, you have the idea or you don't have the idea?
I deduct the all from 200,000.
Excellent, huh?
Okay. So, here they are saying, the company sold non-current asset, see this word, for 25,000. Yani the flus, how much they got. It is receiving that money, they made a loss of 5,000. So you pay me 25,000 and I got a loss of 5,000. So what is the value of the asset I am giving to you?
30.
I want. 30,000 is what? Cost of carrying value.
Cost.
No. Here they are using the word carrying value. You know the meaning of the carrying value? Cost minus accumulated interest. So we don't need to worry about that. So 30,000 is the carrying value of the asset which I have sold. So what was the opening balance? 200. Now how much asset I sold?
30.
30. So what, now the new value will be how much?
No, sir.
170. And the further depreciation for the year how much? So the value will increase or decrease? Decrease by another 20. So how much is the new value? So how much?
يعني carry amount equal
Cost minus accumulated depreciation.
So cost,
Minus accumulated depreciation.
we can have,
Hey, Haka?
and have 2,000,
20,000.
200,000.
200,000. هذا ما مش 200 هذا 20 في ثاني صفر يجي
Carrying the amount is
200.
cost minus
this ايوه
carrying the amount is 200.
هذا مش 200 هذا 20
Okay, yeah.
okay.
Equal.
Equal هذا they have not given you the cost. They just straight away gave you this. Forget about this now. But you should know the equation.
Okay.
Okay? Now from this 200 you need to take out the asset what is sold and the depreciation. You can also do it using P accounts. But I just explained you like that. You want me to know how to do it in P accounts?
I can.
This is the opening carrying amount. This is the carrying amount of the asset sold.
This one.
Opening. Opening balance. Carrying amount.
And this.
This is the carrying amount of the asset sold. Can you try this question? Atif,
I tried it.
what's the answer?
Second one.
Let's check the head
No.
يعني أنا شو الكلام؟
إيه يا ما.
أول مرة تروح ذاك الهاوس بعدين يجي هنا تريد
لا لا لا. قسم بالله لا.
صدق يا أخي.
Even I am shocked. And without methods, he is telling the answer.
It's 38,000 minus 1,900.
Wait, let me check. 8.2. Correct.
Depreciation for 3 months was 1,900.
That's correct. That's also important. That's also important to understand that, because they are saying here it's a proportionate charge. So that's why you understood calculate. Clear? So now you complete that. You calculated this. So now what is the mistake the accountant did?
The mistake, credit side and debit side, you put by mistake in the cash book.
No. Read the question correctly. Cash book he entered correctly. He entered in the cash book correctly. But mistake is what?
In terms of the debit side.
Debit side, yeah, where? Which account?
Plant repairs account.
Plant repairs account. Plant repairs account is set to expense.
Not us.
Expense, come. So if you, how much was the cost? 38,000. So if the 38,000 you take it to expense, what will happen to your profit?
38,000 if you take the expense.
This 30,000 is actually what? Asset to expense?
Will increase. Profit.
Yeah, before.
Will decrease.
Will decrease. How much? 38,000. But this 38,000 nature is what? Is asset to expense?
Here assets.
Asset to. So this asset you by mistake taken as expense. So your profit has gone down. By how much? 38,000. But now another point. This is asset and you are using it. Then you need to calculate what?
Just 3 months.
3 months, what do you call it? Depreciation. Depreciation is what? Expense or asset? Expense. So now because you didn't take that as an asset, that guy would have calculated depreciation or not?
No.
He put everything to repair, expense, cost. So will he calculate depreciation?
No.
No. Now if we calculate depreciation, now what will happen to the profit? Will reduce by how much? Will reduce by 38. And now with this 1,900 what will happen?
Increase.
So what is the net answer?
Number 4 or number 2. the number 2. Okay.
38,000 minus 1,900. There are 2 to 3 points. First point number 1, this is an asset. Point number 2, he make a mistake and then considered as an expense. Point number 3, because of that, the expense profit will go down. That's what we call it understated. There are 2 words here using, overstated and understated.
Here where he يعني where is the mistake? He put you told he put assets and expenses.
هذا mistake.
Where is this?
وبقول لك أساس الثلاثة
Debit side of the plan repairs account.
بقول لك ده المصروفات حساب المصروفات
فهمتوا؟
لما جينا رجعهم طبعا هيفرق بقى في الشغل ده
اوكي.
What is
أكيد دوكس من
proportion exchange?
Meaning,
يعني اشتراك
in a year, if you buy middle of the month, like middle of the year, then you have to calculate depreciation for that number of months.
Not for the whole year.
That's
So
what.
if it's until 30 September, does that mean you have to start from the next month or including September?
Up to 30 September, yes.
No, if it's 30 September, does September also count or is it the months after?
If it's, what do you mean by if? For what? Is it the date of acquisition are you talking about?
No, say September has finished, 30th September.
Yeah.
Now if you calculate the depreciation for that question, will September be included?
Since it is up to 30 September, yes, it will.
$6,000 is the scrap value, right?
Number 2.
Number 2. Don't know, we'll check.
Second one.
That's what you have to say.
Number 2 or second?
That is, okay. May, June, July, August, September, yeah, second is there, number
Now the cost minus scrap value.
exactly. Divided by
4.
4, first step. Then
This equal ايه بقى؟
depreciation.
أيوة.
So here, I will kill you. Now that is for the entire year, but they are asking based on their policy. What is the policy?
Straight.
Yeah, straight line method. This is another thing. Proportionate charge. So you have to take the date of purchase up to مدير بها
يس
فهم ولا
انت عملت 30 6000 على 4 بتساوي كام؟ 24
تساوي 6000
24
ده للسنة
6000
وبعدين هو هنا من شهر 5 لشهر 9 و11 شهور
تمام يعني ضربت في 5
هتقسم على 12 وتضرب في 5
تطلع 2000 ونص تطلع
أيوة 2000 ونص
Also, it is important to know the English alphabet. WX. And W comes before X. Sharp. So 2004, here 2013. Masalan, if this number are 0, masalan another 1, this will be, you should remember the WX.
Here,
Are you done?
I think this is correct.
You want the answer?
I think so. This is correct.
This is the answer?
But I don't know if this is correct.
Let's check. Correct. See, stop the video and then play new video.